Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the newly released Stamina Custom for Shelter Drake. I hope you guys enjoy. Here's a quick brief history for this bay. This bay was originally released by Takara Tomy in the Shelter Drake random booster. This bay is meant to upgrade Impact Drake, as seen in the anime. Hasbro finally announced this bay at New York Toy Fair recently, and now I finally have it in my possession. Looking at the parts, we get the 570 ratchet, as well as the orb bit. These are overall solid parts for any combo. Without further ado, let's assemble this bay and take it over to the stadium. Level 1, Dran's Sword. Level 2, Impact Drake. Level 3, Meteor Dragoon. Overall, I give this bay an 8 out of 10 due to its great parts, anime relevance, and decent battle performance. I hope you guys enjoyed. Extreme Blader, out.